So what did you do?
I didn't run in my training shoes. I think I threw a worn-out pair of racing shoes in another bag. I mean, minimalist traveling is a great way to go because you can't screw up if you only have one pair of shoes. But I had too many pairs of shoes, and I think I took out the old running shoes, and they were knotted because I tend to just kick off my shoes after I race instead of untying. But now with chips you have to untie, so that's a good thing. So I was panicking to get to the start on time. How many of you have reoccurring nightmares that you can't get to the starting line of a race and you almost miss it, but you get there just in the nick of time? I mean, that's a good sign. I mean, but you know, I've had dreams like going up the downstairs case when you're trying to you have to get on an escalator to get to the race, and then the escalator's only going down and you're trying to go up. Or you have to jump through hoops and, you know, fiery hoops, and then you have to cross like steeplechase gully. I mean, I've had all these ridiculous dreams, so that's a good sign. You're ready to go when that happens.
What is your shortest race?
What's my shortest race? I ran the 100-yard dash in high school a couple of times. But I haven't run 100 for a long, long time.
What's the longest you've ever ran?
26.2 miles plus a quarter mile around the track in LA. I'm not one of these marathoners who goes out and runs 30-mile runs and thinks more is better. That's really the longest I've ever run, seriously. I graduated from Cape Elizabeth High School, and then I graduated from Bowdoin College with degrees in history and environmental studies. Will I be the oldest woman to qualify? I think I am. I'm not sure. You know, when my mother said, "Now can you quit?" I said, "No, Mom, I still have goals." And that goal, one of those goals was to run a sub-2:20 marathon, which I never did, but I was around when that happened, and I've known the competitors and friends in sport who've done that. So then I had to say, well, that goal isn't going to happen. I had to be realistic about it when I hit my 40s and 45s. And so then I put the goal of trying to qualify for the Olympic trials in 2008 when I was 50, and the next part of the